Okay, my beautiful friends, here we are. This is my markets, a look ahead segment for this Sunday, November 24th, 2019. And yeah, we really do have to talk. I want to cover a bunch of things with you. I want to put a perspective on this market, gold, silver, crypto, crude, and what we just heard out of the G20, which may weigh on this market early tomorrow, but I can't imagine that it's going to affect anything as we move through the week. So let's start off with that. I want to read this to you. So we understand that the China trade deal has been revived, just exactly like I said would happen. Full damage control, keep the fake story real. So this is what we heard from China at the G20 over this weekend here. I'm going to read this to you from the Chinese foreign minister. The United States is broadly engaged in unilateralism and protectionism and is damaging multilateralism and multilateral trading system. It has already become the world's biggest destabilizing factor. Again, China's foreign ministry. Okay. And then another story got floated out. Let me find this one for you. I don't want this to be my words. Here we go. That here. There is still hope for a U.S.-China trade deal this year. Look, again, the narrative must be maintained and the market will buy it. How many times have we watched this same story get recycled? It's incredible. And the market buys it every time. It does not seem normal. But if the market keeps buying it, that's okay from a standpoint of capitalizing on this market. Let's just, like I said, this is the gift that keeps on giving. So if, let's say tomorrow, and I have no idea what's going to happen tomorrow. We'll see, because I trade the market in front of me at the moment. I don't care. If the market dips tomorrow early, look for a rebound. Now, why else should we be looking for a rebound in the stock market? Again, as I have explained to you, cryptocurrencies remain under pressure. Gold and silver remain under pressure. So what does that tell us? Tells us we are in the risk on environment. Cash is coming out of assets and moving into the stock market as the entire yield curve is faked by what the Federal Reserve is doing. Still not one word, one syllable from the president about this. Nothing. He cannot allow the masses to know that we are engaged right now in full-blown, off the Richter scale quantitative easing, a faking of the repo market. Everything is not real. This is driving cash into the stock market. That's the entire mechanism here. Now, crude oil is huge. You all know that. Hence why, on my website, traderschoice.net, you got my 1, 2, 3 boom charting system, and just to the right, you got the crude oil chart, so you can capitalize on this for yourself. Crude oil is about $58 a barrel. Okay, it's going up. I'm not saying tomorrow it might not dip. It certainly might dip tomorrow, but the trajectory for crude is up. It will be faked. This will pull the market with it. Look, let's put this together. It's so simple. Let's move China out. The rhetoric, the lies, the fakery, the propaganda. The environment is simple. We have cash moving out of certain assets. We have an entirely fake debt market. It's just too much. And this is designed, by design, to push cash into the stock market, moving into the year end, so the CEOs, the big wigs, can get their big fat bonuses. And you know how this works. These bonuses that are received, they're not earned, by these CEOs is based on the share price of the stock. and they want it higher. We know who our government works for, the military-industrial complex. Stocks will go up. It would take nearly a catastrophic event to occur to cause stocks to fall in a meaningful way. Every single time the market tries to drop, it's bought right back up. And we know who's doing it. So let them play their game. We are going to play ours. And we will not lose. I can promise you that. All right, so with that said, I think I put a good perspective on what's happening now, how this more than likely is going to flow into next week. You know what assets to look at so you can gauge the most likely direction of the stock market. This should make sense to you. At least I hope it does. Anyway, with that said, I'll see you in the morning. This guy, you know who he is. Loves you a lot. Please share the video. Get it out there. I'm out of here.